Do you know what sounds a fire truck makes? Or how about the siren of a police car? Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the world of vehicles, discovering their intriguing sounds and interesting facts. Stay tuned because you're about to find out. Imagine a police car racing down the street. Can you hear its siren? This brave vehicle zips around, keeping our cities safe. Listen closely. What sound does it make? That's right. The police car goes woo, woo, woo. Next up, we have a big red fire truck. What noise does it make? Meet our animated fire truck friend. This vehicle's vital role is to help extinguish fires. Listen to its unique sound, nee-naw, nee-naw. Can we say it together? That's the sound of a fire truck, nee-naw, nee-naw. Now let's listen to the sounds of an ambulance, an excavator, and a tractor. Are you ready? First up, we have the ambulance. When an ambulance speeds by, it lets out this loud, urgent wail. Next, we have the excavator. Its sound is a powerful rumble, like a giant's growl. Lastly, we have the tractor. A steady rumbling hum, like a big cat purring. Each sound is so unique, isn't it? Fantastic. You've just learned the sounds of an ambulance, an excavator, and a tractor. Wow, you've learned so much today. We've met the police car's wailing siren, the fire truck's loud honk, the ambulance's urgent blare, the excavator's rumble, and the tractor's steady chug. Remember these sounds and you'll always know who's coming down the street. Until next time,